Alright guys, you're going to go to the base piece, which is this top, double click, and all these extrusions and sketches will open up, and you're going to want to, if you want to rename your axis labels, you're going to click the sketch, and then you can double click on the letter, highlight it, change it, whatever you want. You can do different fonts if you want. But that's basically it, and the extrusion will adjust. You can move them around a little bit. I have them collinear right now, so they'll stay right there, just like that. But that should be about it. You can also adjust, it's the same sketch, these cable mounts, you can see sketch 6. You can go back in and edit if you want these a little bit wider. The piece, I believe, is 0.4, so I made them, I think, just a tad better, bigger. Not off the top of my head, I don't know, but yeah, that should be about it. And I'll include all the step files, so then you can go in and adjust stuff, because people are going to probably want to use the GPIO pins, possibly HDMI, and maybe some of the Pi camera and whatnot. So I'll be working on that for the future. And also for the fan, if we go to that part, which is this one, I just have that contingent on the fan. See, it's referencing the fan. So if you put another fan in, you can project the geometry. See, if you go into here and you do this, I projected the geometry of, basically I took, since there wasn't a perfect circle in this outside ring of the fan right here, this part, I simply just grabbed the center hub right here, got a circle, and it put, let's see if we can find it. I believe, yeah, see that, the circle right here, that's the projected geometry of that center hub. And so then I just did an offset sketch right here of a circle and expanded it to about the edge. So that'd be a rough estimate, and then you can just, for the holes to mount it right there, you can, let's see, where would that be? Not sure where that is, but basically you just click each one of these holes and it would pop through. They might not even be cut out. I may need to do that. Okay, well, you're going to learn right now. So I'm going to start a sketch here, project geometry of, we'll just do that. See how it dropped down there, there, and there. So now we can do probably a little bit of an offset, maybe a 30-second. That works. We'll just leave that like that. And do that. Done dimension. Make all these functions of another. So when you do this, you change the first hole we did, and they all change. So you can make, whoops, you can make this, you know, 1/16, and they should all adjust. Yep, they should. 1/8. Well, this one didn't. Not sure why that is. Anywho, that's how you would do that, and then you can extrude, cut, select both of these. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom. Okay, and now those are all cut out, and so now you can see they're lined up perfectly with the